Hey, I'm JR and I'm here today with the Kicker DS line of coaxial car speakers. Now, if you still have the factory speakers in your car and you're thinking about replacing them, this might be a good choice. This is a typical factory speaker. This one's out of a Nissan Versa. It's paper, it's foam, it's got this little cardboard whizzer cone that's supposed to pass as a tweeter. Just doesn't cut the mustard. It's going to rot away and deteriorate pretty fast, and it just doesn't sound very good. This is the Kicker DS 6504 6.5-inch two-way speaker, a significantly better speaker with a poly woofer, a UV treated foam surround, so it's going to last even if you're in a climate where your car's going to get warm and then cold and hot and wet, and these speakers are going to last through all of the elements much better than this factory speaker. Also a significantly bigger magnet and a much better tweeter. The Kicker DS Coax series speakers are available in a 3.5-inch, a 4-inch, 5 1/4, 6 1/2, 6 3/4, 6x8s, and 6x9. So all of the major sizes available in cars today. Kicker has a replacement speaker that will fit. In fact, Kicker specifically designed these to fit more cars than most other speakers. They're not very deep, so they're not going to interfere with the things inside your door, like your window motor and things like that. And the tweeter is a zero protrusion design, meaning the tweeter doesn't stick out very far, so it won't interfere with the underside of your factory speaker grill. All of the Kicker DS speakers are 4-ohm models, so they're good replacements for factory speakers in that regard, and they're pretty efficient, which means they'll be able to work well and give you plenty of sound off of not much power, like the power from your factory radio. However, if you want more sound, you will be rewarded by giving them more power, either by replacing the radio or adding an amplifier. They can handle more juice, which means they give you louder, clearer, cleaner sound when you give them more power. The Kicker DS line of speakers is very well reviewed by our customers online. The 6.5-inch, for example, has almost 400 reviews as we're filming this video. Here's one of them. A gentleman from Texas said, "These speakers are a good upgrade to the factory setup. They fit perfectly in a 2005 Chevy Silverado front and rear doors. The music is clear and crisp." Short and sweet and to the point. It underscores everything I've been telling you about these speakers. They're a great factory replacement. They sound good with just about any power, and they fit most cars. That's the Kicker DS line of coaxial speakers. If you want to know if these are right for your car and your factory speaker upgrade, give us a call, chat with us online, send us an email. Let our advisors help you figure out if these are the right speakers for you.